Hello, hello, hello. I'm here at 220 Crystal Lake Drive for an open house. I'm going to be doing the open house today. It's Friday, 5 to 7. Be back here tomorrow, Saturday, from 12 to 2. And then have one of my team members on Sunday is going to be here from 11 to 1. So if you're looking for a great house at Egg Harbor Township, I'm going to give you a little tour here, show you around. Thanks for watching if you're here on Facebook Live. This is the Ellerbe model, and 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. So here's the front entrance. Has a lot of really cool features. This was built by D.R. Horton, and it's only 1 year old. So you come in the front entryway here. You have a flex room. This could be used as an office space, dining room, living room, sitting room, whatever you want to use that for. And then coming back to the back, very open layout, great room, huge center island. Beautiful white cabinetry, stainless appliances, a lot of cabinet space. Very nice walk-in pantry here as well. Great touch. Have dining area, great room back here, living area. And one of the unique things about this home, I'll show you the backyard real quick. You have a beautiful backyard, beautiful patio back here, fenced-in backyard. The owner suite is on the first floor, so this is kind of unique. You have an owner suite right here on the first floor. Beautiful full bathroom here. Dual vanities. You have your separate shower, soaking tub as well. Beautiful big window right above that. Private toilet room here. And then you do have also very nice size walk-in closet right here on the owner suite. So if you're watching this, let me know what you think. You like this layout, the owner suite right here on the first floor. And then we'll go back out. I'm going to show you upstairs. So upstairs, there is an additional 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Before we go up, a couple more things. You have a huge closet underneath the steps here. There's a half bathroom right here. Really nice half bath. And 2-car garage. We got a 2-car garage. Hey Eric, thanks for watching. 2-car garage right here. And I'll show you upstairs. So upstairs, actually, in addition to the 4 bedrooms, junior owner suite, you also have a really nice sized loft area up here. This is 220 Crystal Lake Drive. The open house is going to be today, 5 to 7, and then I'll also be back here tomorrow from 12 to 2 if you want to stop out and see it in person. A lot of space up here. It's a little over about 2,900 square feet, and this is a loft area, huge space here. Loft area. Goes all the way around. You have a little nook here behind where the steps come up. Huge space upstairs. And I'll show you the bedrooms. If you need a lot of bedrooms, this will work. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Here's the hall bathroom here. Dual vanity. Have the separate tub enclosure with the toilet here. And then we've got 2 bedrooms here. Each of these bedrooms actually have a walk-in closet, which is nice. A little walk-in closet, mini walk-in. And these 2 are pretty much the same size. Nice size bedroom here with the mini walk-in. And then we've got 2 more bedrooms up here. We have a storage linen closet right here, really nice size, full size linen closet. Next bedroom here. Laundry room. And then this is the junior owner suite, so this will be good for in-law type setup. Maybe you have an older child, teenager, adult child, something like that. They could be up here. You got their closet here. You have a full bathroom here. Tub. Another linen closet in here. So here we are, 220 Crystal Lake Drive. If you want to check this out in person, come join me. I'll be here at the open house till 7 o'clock tonight. Back again tomorrow from 12 to 2. And then I have one of my associates going to be here Sunday from 11 to 1. If you're looking for a great house in Egg Harbor Township, definitely want to check this out. A little more information. This is built by D.R. Horton. This community is sold out, so they're not building any more in this community. And it's only 1 year old. So great house. Also has a security system. Also has solar panels for energy efficiency. 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath owner suite on the first floor. Something very unique. And I hope you like the quick tour here. If you're in the area, if you know someone that may be interested, send them this video and invite them to come out to the open house this weekend. Thanks for watching.